In this example, convert each mixed radical to an entire radical using the method of your choice. In part A, we'll convert 4 root 2 to an entire radical. Start with the reverse factorization method. Rewrite 4 root 2. The coefficient of 4 can be expanded inside the radical as a pair of 4s. Multiply everything underneath the radical symbol to get 32. The entire radical is root 32. Now we'll convert 4 root 2 to an entire radical using the perfect square method. Rewrite 4 root 2. Four can be written as root 16. Multiply the radicals to get root 32. In part B, we'll convert 5 root 3 to an entire radical. Start with the reverse factorization method. Rewrite 5 root 3. The 5 can be expanded inside the radical as a pair of 5s. Multiply everything underneath the radical to get root 75. Now we'll do this using the perfect square method. Rewrite 5 root 3. Five can be written as root 25. Multiply the radicals together to get root 75. In part C, we'll convert 3 times the cube root of 3 to an entire radical. Start with the reverse factorization method. Rewrite 3 times the cube root of 3. The 3 on the outside of the radical can be expanded inside the radical as a triplet. Multiply all the numbers together to get 81. The entire radical is the cube root of 81. Now we'll use the perfect cube method. Rewrite 3 times the cube root of 3. The coefficient of 3 can be written as the cube root of 27. Multiply the radicals to get the cube root of 81. This is the entire radical. In part D, we'll convert 2 times the fourth root of 3 to an entire radical. Start with the reverse factorization method. Rewrite 2 times the fourth root of 3. The coefficient of 2 can be expanded inside the radical as a set of 4 2's. Multiply all the values underneath the radical to get 48. The entire radical is a fourth root of 48. Now we'll use a perfect fourth method. Rewrite 2 times the fourth root of 3. The coefficient 2 can be written as a fourth root of 16. Multiply the radicals to get the fourth root of 48. This is the entire radical.